everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make sesame toast. It's a very popular Japanese school lunch menu you wanted to try. Quick and easy, tasty yet delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. If you have a mortar and pestle, grind white sesame seeds. In this way, you can enjoy the peak aroma and flavor. You need margarine or butter is okay. Granulated sugar or honey is okay. And ground sesame seeds. Mix them together. Make a criss-cross incision on a slice of bread if you like. Then spread the mixture. Toast the bread in the toaster oven. And now it's done! Quick and easy, right? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. 切れ目を入れるとちぎって食べれます。Usually school lunch uses margarine, but you can use butter instead, and instead of sugar, you can use honey, whatever you like. It's easy.
ちょっとはね、ごまかかりすぎかな。給食へ送り込みがないから。
それで食べるんだ。
チャンネル登録お願いします。来てください。押してね。バイバーイ。